Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an AI-generated beat using the Suno app. First, download and open the Suno app on your device. Once inside, sign up or log in to access the full features. Start by navigating to the music or beat creation section. Here you'll see options to select genres, moods, and instruments. Choose the style you want for your beat, whether it's hip-hop, electronic, or chill lo-fi. Next, you can either let the AI generate a beat automatically based on your selected preferences, or customize it yourself. You can adjust tempo, add drums, synths, bass lines, and other elements to shape the sound. The AI will help by suggesting patterns and layers that fit well together, making the process much faster than doing it manually. Once your beat is ready, preview it to ensure it sounds the way you want. You can make small adjustments like changing the volume of certain instruments, adding effects, or tweaking the rhythm. When satisfied, export your track as an MP3 or WAV file so you can use it in your projects, share it on social media, or collaborate with others. I'm using the beat as the background music right now. Give it a listen. If you enjoyed this guide and want more tips on creating music with AI tools, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.